Imagine a race where the athletes aren't human. On April 19, 2025, the world witnessed a groundbreaking event. In the bustling heart of Beijing, China, a marathon took place unlike any other. This wasn't a competition of human endurance, but a showcase of cutting-edge robotics. This was the day humanoid robots took on the challenge of a half marathon. 21 robots lined up at the starting line. Each one stood under 1.2 meters tall, a cluster of whirring motors and gleaming metal. Each one was a testament to years of research and development in the world of artificial intelligence. The event was part of the World Robot Conference, a global stage for the latest advancements in robotics. But this competition wasn't just about pushing the boundaries of technology. It was about pushing the boundaries of what we thought robots could do. The robotic marathon was a thrilling spectacle. Crowds gathered to cheer on these mechanical athletes, marveling at their movements and the ingenuity that brought them to life. This wasn't just a race, it was a glimpse into the future. Meet the competitors, robots built for endurance. These weren't your average robots. Each one was a marvel of engineering, designed to mimic the movements of a human runner. Weighing in at approximately 10 kilograms, they were built for agility and endurance. Their creators, teams of brilliant engineers and programmers, had poured heart and soul into their creations. They had equipped these robots with advanced sensors and algorithms, allowing them to navigate the course and maintain their balance. But the true test lay not just in running, but in running efficiently. The robots were powered by batteries, and completing the 21-kilometer half-marathon distance would require careful energy management. Not every robot makes it to the finish line. As the race wore on, the challenges of the course began to take their toll. Some robots stumbled, their sensors struggling to cope with the uneven terrain. Others slowed to a crawl, their batteries nearing depletion. Despite the setbacks, the teams remained optimistic. They had known this race would be grueling, a true test of their creation's limits. Each stumble, each malfunction, was a learning opportunity, valuable data that would fuel future development. What did we learn from this robotic marathon? In the end, only 4 robots crossed the finish line. It was a testament to the immense challenges of building machines capable of replicating human movement and endurance. But the race wasn't just about who won or lost. It was about pushing the boundaries of what's possible in robotics. It was about inspiring the next generation of engineers and programmers to dream big. The robotic marathon in Beijing was a glimpse into the future. A future where robots will play an increasingly important role in our lives. And as we continue to develop and refine these incredible machines, who knows what they'll be capable of achieving? Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips, reviews and breakdowns every week. Got questions or something you want us to cover next? Drop it in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the future of tech.